ALLPOWERS Portable Power Station R600. Power 9 appliances simultaneously. ALLPOWERS Portable Power Station features two AC outlets, 230V 600W, 1200W peak, two USB-C ports, two USB-A ports and one DC car port. With an output of up to 600W, ALLPOWERS R600 outdoor generator is specially designed for charging kettle, juice, laptops, car refrigerator, drone and other outdoor electronics. Power your outdoor adventure without worry. 299Wh huge capacity, recharge from 0 to 100% in 1 hour. Fully recharge the portable power station with AC wall outlet in only 1 hour with ALLPOWERS fast charging technology, no bulky power brick, only a single cable to recharge R600 at most 400W max. Fast solar charging. Use clean, green renewable energy to recharge R600 solar generator in as fast as 1.5 hours with 300W solar input. Allow you to recharge freely while outdoor camping. LiFeP04 Long Life Battery. Equipped with LFP battery cells, use and recharge R600 more than 3,000 plus times before hitting 80%. That's almost 10 years of regular use. R600 portable generator includes advanced BMS protection, monitoring voltage, current, and temperature to keep your LFP battery running for years. Reliable UPS. R600 mini portable generator provides backup power instantly when the grid fails, protecting your desktop PC, file servers, and other sensitive devices from data loss or damage. What you get: ALLPOWERS R600 portable power station, AC charging cable, MC4 to X860 solar charging cable, user manual, 5 years warranty and friendly customer service. ALLPOWERS portable power station R600. 299Wh LiFeP04 battery, with 2x600W, 1200W surge AC outlets for outdoor camping RV home. If you are interested to buying this product, please copy the link in the description.